Welcome everyone, Daniela here with a brand new layout created with the December main kit. And I also used the embellishment kit and the cardstock kit, some papers from the Pocket Life kit and the holiday word dies, and also the nested hexagon die set. And well, I will show you how to create a nice background by using the hexagons. First of all, I started my page by creating a golden background. I'm working with those powders from the November kit, and just applied some of the golden powder here on a piece of foil from the packages and mixed it up with some water, and then I can create a nice background easily. And well, this is kind of big now, but in the end you will only see a little bit or some spots because I will have a lot of going on this page in the end. I also add some color splashes in light blue and pink because my main color scheme will be pink, blue, green and yellow. So these are the nested dies. I love those a lot. You can have them like frames. If you put them together, you can have big hexagons just the way you want them, or yeah, whatever you need. You can do so many different things. You can do some stitching. There are some holes where you can do hand stitching easily. And I will create a nice background using those hexagon die cut pieces. But first of all, I have created a little cluster for my picture. I just took some of those cards from the Pocket Life kit and backed them behind the picture. And as you can see, I also did some die cutting here with one of those cards from the Pocket Life kit. And this is what I told you. You can have the hexagons like frames, or as I did with the New Year's Eve piece, you can have a big hexagon with filled paper. So so many different ways to use them. This time I want to keep those little holes which you get for hand stitching. I think this is a nice trick. It's adds some dimension because we have like more texture on the hexagons without doing stitching. And I popped out those holes here on the big die cut piece, so it is versatile, and there are many different options here. Okay, so we have these pretty acetate stickers, and I just place some of them on the cardstock that comes in the cardstock kit, and then I want to cut them out because I want to place them here on my different hexagons, and I felt that I need to have some white background here so that they can pop out. And that's why I do some fuzzy cutting here. And these stickers are kind of shiny, and they are a nice addition to all the paper elements. You see that I also use some of those foam stickers from the big puffy sticker sheet that we get in the kit. And now we have the shiny stickers, so we have different elements, different kinds of embellishments. And of course, all the frames, all the hexagons already do a lot for the page, and now I just want to add a few details. So I'm working with the holiday word set. You can easily cut out those words from the die cutting set, and then we have this great stencil, and you can just make your own words by choosing whatever color you need or whatever color matches your project. And I am going for orange, peach, pink and blue, because we have these colors in the papers as well. And I just yeah, apply some color here with a little sponge, and this is so much fun to do. You can yeah, create whatever you want, and we have so many different words. We have happy, we have sparkle, we have cheer, we have new year and love. So these can be used all over again. I think yeah, you need those words quite often. Happy and love, of course, sparkle as well. And cheer is also a nice one. So I wanted to have this one here on my New Year's Eve layout. Yeah, it fits perfectly. So I also do this one, and I keep the other ones for other projects. I think two are enough because I already have so many hexagons on my page, and it shouldn't become too wild. All right, so let's see where I can put them. I have the word sparkle here, and then I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put the word cheer, but yeah, I'll decide that in the end. First of all, I fix this one, and then I can figure out all the rest. And yeah, I also want to fix my shiny elements here. I had just put them where I thought they would stay in the end, and now as I'm coming closer to an end, I also want to fix them, and then I can add some finishing details like more stickers. We have these puffy stickers which come in each and every kit, so they are always included, and yeah, they there are different shapes. This time we have little circles here, and I'm going for those circles. Of course, there are also some packages, gift packages, and so on. Holiday themed things like gingerbread man or Christmas trees. But here for this page, I'm going for some circles, and I also have chosen the same colors that I have in the papers. So this way, yeah, it is a nice addition to all the other elements. And now I just add some golden alphabet stickers here. I'm writing the word party, so New Year's Eve party, and I think that those shiny golden stickers match yeah, the New Year's Eve paper piece quite well, because yeah, it is the same font. And now I have also decided where to put the word cheer, and this is what my page looks like in the end. Well, I hope you had some inspiration, or you gained some inspiration by my way of using those metal dies, and hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching again, and take care. Bye bye.